Here, in 1903, the Wright brothers. Who are the Wright brothers here? Orville and Wilbur Wright brothers. So here, both the brothers. A New York Times editorial. New York Times editorial is nothing but a newspaper in US. On December 10th, questioned the wisdom of the Wright brothers. Means the intelligence, how intelligent they are. They questioned the wisdom means what they were trying to prove. They tried to question them. They like interviewed for the thing what they were going to prove. Okay, who were trying to invent a machine? What they were actually trying to do? They were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. You understand in your physics, right? Because anything lighter, heavier, something heavier than air that could fly. Yes? Heavier than air that would fly. Okay. 1 week later at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers took their famous flight, but they did not trust them. How could it happen? Heavier than air that would fly. They did not believe. So that's why they have questioned, interviewed them. Interviewed their wisdom, their knowledge, how much intelligent they are really to prove like this, to talk like this. Before, actually this happened on when December 10, 1903. So before they proved this, before this they invented this. Okay, they have questioned them about their idea what they are going to do. Actually they are trying to build a machine which is heavier than air, which could fly. At Kitty Hawk, Kitty Hawk is a place, a city, a town. Okay, the Wright brothers took their famous flight. After 1 week, after they have interviewed or you can say questioned them, after 1 week, after exactly 1 week of 10th December, they have taken their first flight. Who are they? Actually, American aviation pioneers who really pioneered, who are the inventors of aviation, aeroplanes. They are the Wright brothers, no one but Orville and Wilbur, who invented the aeroplanes. Actually, generally they are credited with invention of flying world buildings and invention of buildings and flying worlds. They are normally they are credited. The credit is given to this American brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright brothers. Okay, so but see what they have given to us, how useful now. We are using it in our everyday's life. Today life has become really faster to reach America, to reach anywhere. It's very easy. Within a few hours we are reaching there. Was that easy before? No, really. We could have to really. There was no way, but they have proved it. But anyone believe them? Before they could go for a trial, they were questioned about their idea, what they are going to prove. But did that stop them? Are they were afraid of their questions? No. After exact 1 week, they have made it successful and they are famous now in the world. Everyone knows them as the pioneers of aviation, those who started this, the initiation of the aeroplanes. What we have are enjoying today in our life. Who are they? The Wright brothers. Okay. Next person in our list, Colonel Sanders. At age 65, with a beat-up car and a $100 check from Social Security. Actually, what is Social Security? Nothing but so here, like a government gives some help, money. Okay, where monetary help to people where people are like they are jobless. They don't have money for their expenditure. So they provide some kind of loan, what do you call? So US government gives them. So here Colonel Sanders, his full name Colonel Harlan David Sanders. Colonel Harlan David Sanders. Here our next person who Okay, so we are going to learn about him. See what does he give us? So actually at age of 65 age where you think of retirement. Yes or no? 65, 50 is much. 65 where we feel have to be relaxed, enjoying the life. What you call the old age. I shouldn't be troubled with anything. Yes? True? I'm 65. You can't work more. You should not give more work. People in a society, you see how they work. But at that age, Colonel Sanders has taken a loan from social security. How much? $100. Just $100. Check. Realize he had to do something. So, like a determination that he has to do something with this. He remembered his mother's recipe and went out sailing. How many doors did he have to knock on before he got his first order? It is estimated that he had knocked on more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. How many of us quit after 3 tries, 10 tries, 100 tries, and then we say we tried as hard we could? See, at the age of 65 and having only $100, he realized that yes, I have to do something with myself, with my life. I have much left out. What did he do? He remembered his mother's recipe, something what his mother used to prepare at home, and with that he went knocking on the door to get his first order. Who would? Because what he has, if someone order only he could sell. What? So he went on knocking. So it is estimated, calculated, just more than 1,000. Finally he got his first order. Can you imagine at that age having that willpower that he went on knocking at the doors for only to get one order finally? After 1,000 doors, how many will go for 1, 2nd, 3rd? Enough, I can't. This is really high time. After this, I quit. You announce. I have tried enough. You say, this is really enough. That what immediately it comes, right? But did he stop? No. It could have been more than thousands also. But finally he got that order, so he stopped. Okay, it's not that he within 1,000 he got his job. He could have, but at 1,000 finally he got his order. So who was he? Famous. You people enjoy KFC chicken? What do you call? Very famous. Anything, any party or anything, chalo KFC. Because very famous for that fast food chain. Yes. Actually he is known as an American businessman who grown up after this age became very famous as the KFC chicken. What? Actually this was named after him. What is his name? Best known founder of the fast food chain as Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky K. Sitting at KFC, what do you love? Anything, party or something, order KFC. Chalo get to KFC. Many things. Actually, fast food center. What is? So he is the ambassador, brand ambassador, and even his photo is used as a symbol, image of this his company. It is named after him. K for Kentucky, F for fried, C for chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is very famous, known as KFC. Okay guys, can you imagine? Have you ever, and when did he do? At the age of 65. Do you have that willpower? You must have after reading this, after knowing about this. What's wrong at the age of 65 when you're healthy? And you can't even say he was really wealthy, only having $100. But the thing determination.